Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If the text on your Apple Watch feels too small or hard to read, this video is for you. Today, I will show you how to make text easier to read on Apple Watch by changing the text size, enabling bold text, and using other helpful settings. Let's get started. First, wake up your Apple Watch and press the digital crown to open the app screen. Then tap on the Settings app icon. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness option. Then tap on Text Size. Now use the digital crown or the plus and minus buttons to adjust the text size to your preference. Now go back to the Display and Brightness page and turn on the toggle for bold text. Making the text bold will make it easier to read, especially if you are struggling with thinner fonts. For even more readability, go to Settings and tap on Accessibility. From here, you can enable reduced transparency and increase contrast for better visual clarity. You can also turn on zoom if you want to magnify parts of the screen with a double tap gesture. You can also adjust all these settings from your iPhone. Just open the Watch app, go to Display and Brightness or Accessibility sections and make all the same changes from a larger screen. And that's how you can make text easier to read on your Apple Watch. If this helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Apple Watch and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.